Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question that says x minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 5 to the power of 6. So we are going to find the value of x from this equation. We are given x minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 5 to the power of 6. What we are going to do is for us to transpose the right hand side to the left hand side. So this will become x minus 2 to the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6 equals to 0. From here, we can break this 6 down to 2 times 3. So this will become x minus 2 all to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 all equals to 0. In this case, you can see this as difference of two squares, where this represents as a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, which is equals to a plus b all into a minus b. So we are going to represent this in this format. In this case, our a equals to x minus 2 to the power of 3. Then our b equals to 5 to the power of 3. So when we substitute this parameter into this equation, or the solution of this difference of two squares, it will become x minus 2 to the power of 3, that is for a, plus, then for b, we have 5 to the power of 3. That is the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have x minus 2 to the power of 3, that is for this, minus 5 to the power of 3. That is for the second parenthesis. So in this case, we can see that all this equals to 0. We can see that we have two brackets here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So it is in this form where then the first one will be x minus 2 all to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 equals to 0. And the second one will be, we take this one, x minus 2 all to the power of 3. Then we have minus 5 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. So this is the two equations that we are going to solve for us to have the solution of x. So in this case, we are going to start from the first one, where we have x minus 2 all to the power of 3. We have plus 5 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. So in this case, you can look at this. It is in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. That is addition of 2 cubes. So this is the same thing as a plus b all into a to the power of minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So this is what it means. In this case, our a equals to x minus 2. Then our b equals to 5. We need to substitute this parameter in this solution of addition of 2 cubes. So that will give us, for a here we have x minus 2 plus, then for b here we have 5. That is for the first parenthesis here. The second one we have here x minus 2 to the power of 2. This for here. Then we have minus x minus 2. This for here times 5. That is for b. Then we have plus. Then b is 5 to the power of 2. So if we evaluate this, this is the same thing as having x. Then we have minus 2 plus 5 will give us plus 3. Then we have into this same thing as x minus 2 into x minus 2. Then we have here minus, we have here 5 times x. We have 5x. Then 5 times minus 2, we have minus 10. Then we have plus. Then 5 to the power of 2 is 25. All equals to 0. So in this case, this can be written as x plus 3 into, we have here x times x, we have x to the power of 2 minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x. Then minus 2 times, have minus 2x. Then we have x times minus 2, we have minus 2x. Then minus 2 times minus 2, we have plus 4. Then this is the same thing as having, we expand this, we have minus times 5x, we have minus 5x. Then we have minus times minus 10, we have plus 10. So here we bring down plus 25. So in this case, this is the same thing as having x plus 3 into, this is x to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 2x, we have minus 4x. Then we bring down plus 4. So here will become minus 5x. Then here will become plus 10 plus 25, all equals to 0. So in that case, this is the same thing as x plus 3 into x to the power of 2. So we collect like terms. We have here minus 4x minus 5x, we have minus 9x. So we have here 4 plus 10, we have 14. 14 plus 25, we have 39. So this becomes plus 39, all equals to 0. You can see that we have another two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. In that case, we need to clean this. It's for us to continue our evaluation. So from there, we are having x plus 3 all into x to the power of 2 minus 9x plus 39, all equals to 0. So we need to take this one first. As we said, either the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So the first parenthesis, which is this, x plus 3 equals to 0. And here we have x equals to minus 3. So this is the first value of x that we have. And also we have x to the power of 2 minus 9x plus 39 equals to 0. So from here is a quadratic equation. We are going to compare this with a quadratic equation, which is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing this, you have the value of a as 1 and the value of b as minus 9 and the value of c equals to 39. So we are going to substitute this into the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, substituting this parameter into this quadratic formula, we have the value of x equals to minus b, which is minus 9, plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2, which is 9 to the power of 2. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 39 all over 2 times 1. So in this case, we have the value of x from there as x equals to minus times minus 9 will become 9, plus or minus square root of minus 9 to the power of 2 will give us 81, minus 4 times 1 times 39 will give us minus 156. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So this is the same thing as having x equals to 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 156 will give us minus 75 all over 2. So in this case, this can be written as x equals to 9 plus or minus square root of minus 75 can be written as 25 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. In this case, our x will be equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 25 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So here, our x will be equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 3, then square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I. And from there, we bring down all divided by 2. So this is the second set of x and its two solutions, where we had our x1 as minus 3 and this will be x2 and x3. So that is the solution. So the second one that we are going to look at is this second part of this equation. Before we do that, we need to clean this for us to continue the evaluation. But first of all, let's all transfer this. As we said, this is two solutions. So it's going to be x2 equals to 9 plus 5 root 3i, and x3 will be equal to 9 minus 5 root 3i. So this is our x1, which is equal to minus 3. So in that case, we need to clean this for us to continue. Then the second equation says x minus 2 all to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 all equals to 0. So this is the second part of this equation. So what we are going to do is to further simplify this, and when we do that, we need to look at this, and this is in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is equals to a minus b all into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So this is different of 2 cubed, and if you look at this is a and this is b. So in that case, our a equals to x minus 2, then our b equals to 5. So we are going to substitute this parameter as this solution of different of 2 cubed. So in that case, a minus b will become x minus 2 minus b, which is 5. That is for the first parenthesis. The second parenthesis, this will become x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus ab. Our a is x minus 2. Then we multiply by 5. Then we have plus b to the power of 2, which is 5 to the power of 2. So this is what we have. So in this case, all this equals to 0. So in this case, we will have this as x minus 2 minus 5 will become minus 7. That is for the first parenthesis. So we have this as x minus 2 into x minus 2. Then we have here as plus, this is x times 5, we have 5x. Minus 2 times 5, we have minus 10. So we bring down plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25, all equals to 0. So evaluating this is going to give us x minus 7 into x times x, we have x to the power of 2, minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x. Then we have x times minus 2, we have minus 2x. Then minus 2 times minus 2, we have plus 4. Then this will bring down plus 5x. Minus 10 plus 25 will give us plus 15, all equals to 0. From here, we can see that we have x minus 7 all into x to the power of 2. So in this case, minus 2x minus 2x will give us minus 4x. So we have here 4 plus 15 becomes 19. So this place will bring down plus 5x plus 19. So here, minus 4x plus 5x will give us x. So this will become plus x plus this is 19. So we bring down this 19, all equals to 0. So this is what we have as our new solution. We can write it this as x minus 7 into x to the power of 2 plus x plus 19 equals to 0. So in that case, we just transfer this other side. So in that case, we need to evaluate this for us to see a solution of x from this equation. So from here, this is in the form first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So let's look at our x minus 7 equals to 0 for this first part. And also we have x to the power of 2 plus x plus 19 equals to 0. For this first one, our x here will become, when minus 7 transposed into this other side, it becomes 7. So this is the fourth value of x, which is x4, because we have x3 here. And also, we have this one as, when we equate this with our quadratic formula, which is in the form ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. Equating this, you can see that the value of a equals to 1, and the value of b equals to 1, and the value of c equals to 19. So from here, we can see that we need to substitute this into the quadratic formula, which is in the form x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2. So from here, our value of x equals to minus b, which is minus 1, then plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 equals to 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, our a is 1, times c, our c is 19, all over 2. So from there, our value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus, we have square root of 1 to the power of 2 is 1. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 19 will give us minus 76 all over 2. In that case, our value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 76 will become minus 75 all over 2. So in this case, our value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 75 is the same thing as 25 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. So in this case, value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 25 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So from here, the value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. Then we have root 3 square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, all over 2. So from here, we have another 2 solution from this solution of x. So when we add it here, it's going to be our x4 is 7. So we have here x4, which is equal to 7. Then our x5, then from here we have minus 1 plus 5 root 3i all over 2. Then we have x6. That will give us x6 will be equal minus 1 minus 5 root 3i all over 2. So these are all the solution of x that we have. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. They are all satisfy this equation. You can see that from the equation we have this parenthesis raised to power of 6. Anytime you have this power of 6 or power of 3, that means the solution of x will give you the number of this power that will be equated to this parenthesis. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.